Hi everybody, this is Zachary Como, Executive Editor of CE Pro. Today I'm joined by Sheng Qu, the Product Manager for Lutron's luxury residential shades market. Sheng, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Zach. Happy to be here.
Great. So Sheng, Lutron's been busy in the shading category, and you guys continue to build on a foundation of flexibility, user-friendly tools, a reliable performance. Let's talk through some of this year's updates from Lutron, and that reflects that approach.
Yeah, sure. Love to talk about it. At Lutron, our shading business is really built on the design flexibility, the user-friendly tools, and obviously the design, the performance also just ultimately it just works. So this year we've introduced several really great updates to bring all these value to life to really help enhance our customer integrators' life. And we launched a shade visualizer in our luxury experience app, which gives designer homeowner really a hands-on way to show what it feels like to have shades in your space. And we also introduced a native by design program, and we're partnered with select luxury brands to really embed the Lutron technology directly into their products. And then also we have some updates on Triathlon Select.
Excellent, great, yes. Speaking of the shades visualizer, I did catch a peek at that at CD Expo earlier this month in Denver. So how does that help users kind of explore styles, simulate lighting changes, and collaborate with project teams?
Yeah, so we really want the shade visualizer to have a design studio in their hands, right? Because a lot of time we ask our integrators, say, how do you present shade options to the homeowner? How do you show them without bring them into a showroom or somewhere to experience what it feels like to have automatic shades in your life? Usually the answer is, oh, you know what? We have a tons of pictures in our phone, and we can flip through different configurations, tell them what it feels like. But sometimes you just don't have the configuration the homeowner really likes and want, and it's really hard to explain what it feels like have different fabric options for sale and to see how that changed the space. So the shade visualizer is really the way to really bring a design studio in the palm of your hands, right? On our luxury experience app, which can already do a lot in terms of keypad options, show all different design options, show lighting effects. So now we're adding this great feature to it. So essentially, you can explore different shade style from exposed roller shades, pocketed shades, fascia shades, and really put that into the space and see how the light transform in the space. So for example, you can put a exposed roller shade or palladium shade outside mount to a window and actually see what the space looks like. You can raise lower the shade and the shade will lower, and then you can see how the light transform with different fabric to select. So you can toggle between a light fabric, a dark fabric, a sheer fabric, translucent fabric, blackout fabric, just to see what the space look like with different options. Sometimes you ask, okay, so what if I want to do a metal fascia inside mount? You can just select metal fascia and select inside mount, immediately get the results. So we want to make sure it's a very easy transition for people to visualize it. And to make it even more beneficial, we can toggle the date and night just to see what it feels like to have privacy in your room. You can actually step outside the house, look inside the house to really explain the benefit of having a blackout fabric and what a sheer fabric may look like at night if the homeowner wants privacy. And we want to make sure this is 100% realistic. For example, when you have a blackout fabric, then you have a not side channel, you can actually see through the gaps. So it's make it really realistic set expectation for homeowners. So we think this tool really keep everyone aligned and really help make decisions with confidence for our dealers.
Excellent. Yeah, pivoting to another CEDIA Expo release was the Native by Design program. I think the partnership with Coastal Source is essentially kicking this thing off. So can you talk about that partnership with Coastal Source, the Native by Design program as a whole, and how this expands integration and partnerships with other brands?
So yeah, absolutely. So Native by Design, we're very excited about this program. It's our way of expanding Lutron ecosystem through really curated partnership with different luxury brands. So we're partner company, like you mentioned, Coastal Source, also Harman Forbes, really embedded Lutron intelligence into their products. So it merges the technology, the design into the craftsmanship and our technology, right? Really giving our clients a very elevated experience. So for example, like Coastal Source, we actually co-develop a product, right? Put our technology and directly embed it into their lighting fixtures. So this really combines the best of both worlds. So we're very excited. So really give a client the elevated experience and really also a seamless integration from the start.
Yeah, what challenges does native by design help integrators and designers solve on real world projects?
Uh, that's a really great question because uh, this program really solves some of the most common pain points because all of these products are designed to work with Lutron from the beginning, right? So there's no need for a retrofit or extra programming. You don't have to worry about incompatibility, warranty. It really fits on the pillar of it just works, right? So it really means less commissioning time, less bounce around between vendors, really a smoother installation process, right? For clients, it really deliver a unified experience, in my opinion, right? Lighting, shading, control, it all comes together very intuitive way, an elegant way, and most important, reliable.
So let's move to Triathlon Select. So where does this line fit within the Lutron Shades lineup, and why is it a strong option for both dealers and homeowners?
Yeah. So Triathlon Select is our, you can say, it's entry-level smart shading solution. It starts at $599 MSRP for standard sizes. It's a very approachable way for homeowner just to experience what they have to have a luxury shading, right? It's battery powered, about 2-year battery life, it's still industry leading, installed very quickly with no wiring, and it integrates with our full residential system solutions for really complete smart home solution. So for our integrators, it's really simplify quoting and installation process, right? So you can come in and look at the windows, count the windows, and know the price, and know you can do that with confidence. Very important. And for homeowners, really make shading more approachable, accessible, without compromising the design.
Great, very good. Sheng, I think that does it for us. Anything else you want to tell our audience about Lutron and the company's investments in the shading category?
Oh yeah, so I just want to let everyone know, like, we're very committed into this category. Obviously, we been in this industry for a very, very long time. Uh, we're very blessed to have a very also dedicated customer integrators, going along with us, to grow with us. Obviously, sometimes there are growing pains, but we'll always come together at the end. Uh, all these update together is we're making shades easier to design, easier to install, and more delightful to really work with. So like we want to be everyone to be rest assured, like we're continuing to make investment in this category. We believe this is going to be a very profitable part of everybody's business. So, oh yeah, so thanks for having me. Really glad to talk about shades and um, happy to be here.
Very good. All right. Well, Sheng, thanks very much. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, thanks so much.